Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to CODM in PC. Well, to do that, go to the official website of the emulator you choose, which is Game Loop. So go to your browser, then go to gameloop.com, the official website of Game Loop. Then click download. In the emulator, log in to your account. Then go to the Game Center or App Store. Search for Call of Duty Mobile, then install it. Once the game is installed, open the emulator settings and optimize your game experience. Then launch CODM within the emulator. Log in with your Call of Duty account or create a new one. After logging, you should be able to play Call of Duty Mobile on your computer using the emulator. And that's how to CODM in PC. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.